Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Recycle Bin to Windows 10 taskbar. For that, you need to create a new shortcut, and before that, you can see this is my Recycle Bin on the Windows 10 taskbar. I can click on it, and here I can empty Recycle Bin in case some deleted folder or files is available here. So you need to create a new shortcut for this. For that, right click on the free space on the desktop and select new, and then here shortcut option. This will open create shortcut wizard. Just copy and paste this one path from this video description that I will provide link in your video description. Copy and paste this one details. Then click on this one next button. Then name it anything. You can remove it later. Just leave it as default. Click finish. I just remove it to demonstrate you. By default, it will by default it will pick a explorer icon as you can see on the screen. In case you want to change this one icon, right click on it, select properties option, and then switch to this one shortcut tab, and then click on this one change icon button, and here you can see several types of icons. You can select any according to your wish. As suppose I want to like this image, just selected it, then click on this one OK button, click on apply, click on open. This will change recycle bin icon. Now drag it to the taskbar, and now you can remove it desktop shortcut. After that, click on this one icon when you want to import the recycle bin, and then just choose empty recycle bin option. This will remove everything from your recycle bin. Like this, you can add a recycle bin shortcut to your Windows 10 taskbar. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.